The lockdown has been further extended, and with this, the possibility of opening our school doors before the onset of the summer break has been shattered. We at Credo World School are now busy preparing holiday assignment packs across all classes so that the children keep busy learning and having fun while learning. The teachers are doing their best, be it lesson delivery or conducting competitions despite the adverse conditions. The testimony by the primary section parents shows the trust they have in us.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Shweta Sarve, mother of Arush Ranjan Chaube. First of all, I would like to thank you for your efforts in this pandemic. My son is enjoying lessons, videos, and virtual session with the teachers. He is loving it. I am grateful to you all of all for the support and building up faith in the Credo World School. The Credo World School has done wonders in meeting expectations of us, parents. My child has shown 70% improvement since he joined Credo. The teachers are delivering lessons as per my satisfaction, and I would be pleased to rate Credo on the scale of 9 out of 10. And the parents child meter, a happiness meter. All the best. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Sheetal Ma'am, Navneet Ma'am, and Saroj sir. Jai Hind.
My name is Esther Jillian Crab. I am in grade 1 from Credo World School, Dhambad, and this is my mama Charlotte Crab.
Hello and a very warm welcome to the full Credo team and the full authorities. I am Esther Julian Crab's mom, and I really appreciate and I really like the concept of virtual classes as the teachers are interacting with my daughter in a very loving way, and she is even participating in all the activities with full of her heart. Yes, I give Credo World School 10 out of 10 because they are doing the best.
Good evening, ma'am. We are parents of Annabija studying in class 1 of your school. We are highly obliged that you have given us chances to express our opinion on the performance of our kids.
In the very short span, and since there is no face-to-face classes going on, it is very difficult for us to analyze the performance of our kids. And your faculty members are very interactive and delivers the contents of the chapter very easily. And our child is enjoying the virtual classes and activities provided by the faculty members.
We are eagerly waiting for the further activities to be provided by the school for the development of our child. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैं क्रेडो वर्ल्ड स्कूल के सभी फैकल्टीज प्रिंसिपल को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने इस सिचुएशन में भी हमारे बच्चों को अपना प्रीशियस टाइम दिया और वाकई में वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं। उन्हें बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें सीखने को मिल रही हैं। आज के डेट में मैंने देखा है कि हमारा बच्चा पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव कर रहा है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसी तरह से उन लोगों का सहयोग मिले और टीचर्स और जितने भी फैकल्टीज़ हैं वो समय समय पे इस तरह की अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस और मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस बना के हमारे बच्चों को दें ताकि ये और ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस करें। थैंक यू। और मैं आप लोगों से ये भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप घर पर रहें और सुरक्षित रहें। धन्यवाद।
A very good afternoon to all. During my visit to the Credo World School, I got a strong feel that apart from education, there are other way of learning which this school will definitely provide to our children. So that's why I finally decided to admit my child in the school. And now I can see that the school, the way the school's teachers are helping the child to learn and grow, this is really amazing. So I'm very much confident about the future of my child. And thanks to all the team of the Credo World School. And as far as the rating is concerned, They are doing just lot of things. So I don't think that giving rating is justice for them. They should be given 10 out of 10 for all their hard work and helping the children. So, and as far as the virtual classes and online classes is concerned, my wife is taking care of that, so that she will give more detail about that.
बच्चे अच्छे से सीख रहे हैं क्लासेस में। कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं मिस से, मिस का भी फ़ोन आता है, बच्चे से डिस्कस करते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो उसको क्लियर करती है। बट अच्छे ग्रो कर रहे हैं बच्चे।
थैंक्स टू द टीम।
थैंक्स द टीम।
क्रेडो वर्ल्ड स्कूल हमारे बच्चों के लिए उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए सबसे अच्छे स्कूल में है और हम लोग का सपना है कि उस स्कूल में हमारे बच्चों को अच्छा एजुकेशन मिले, जो हम लोग सपना देखे हैं बच्चे के प्रति को पूरा हो। और जो स्कूल में जो भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही है लॉकडाउन में, इस लॉकडाउन में सारे मैम सर जो भी क्लास दे रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से दे रहे हैं। और जो भी क्लासेस दे रही हैं मीनू मैम, संगीता श्रीवास्तव मैम, श्रुति सिन्हा मैम, सरोज उपाध्याय सर, मीनू मैम, ये सारे टीचर जो है अच्छे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं बच्चे को और अच्छा लग रहा है हम लोग का भी। बट मीनू मैम से और संगीता श्रीवास्तव मैम जो है और कंप्यूटर सर जो कंप्यूटर क्लास कराते हैं सरोज उपाध्याय सर, उनके भाषा से बच्चे को थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा इंक्रीजमेंट हो रहा है। और क्रेडो स्कूल एक अच्छा स्कूल है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. Myself Asa Bharti, and I am the mother of Aditya Gandhi and Suraj Gandhi, who are studying in your school in class nursery and in class 3. Their father, Dr. Anish Kumar Gandhi, is doing his duties at COVID-19 Central Hospital, Dhanbad. That's why he is not in this video. I am happy that our kids are now becoming part of Credo World School, and I am happy to say that Credo World School has met our expectations in this lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. Teachers are doing great job, or we can say they are doing excellent job by making videos and virtual sessions. Our kids are enjoying very much through these virtual sessions. Teachers of both the classes are very nice and supportive. They try to sort out all the confusions and doubts through an activity, due to which our kids are now taking interest in studying. So they really meet our expectations. And on parental happiness meter, I will give 9 out of 10. So I would like to say that thank you, Principal Ma'am, teachers of all the Credo schools for their sincere hard efforts for making online classes successful. Thank you once again.
I am Dolly Singh. Credo World School is one of the best schools in Dhanbad. I really appreciate the activities and facilities which provided by them, like singing, dancing, yoga with studies.
Finally, we want to say
Stay home.
stay safe. Thank you.
Hello sir, myself Prakash, father of Saksham Sinha. I glad to see that virtual classes in all aspects. My child is growing very well and he is doing very good in all subjects. So teachers are also appreciated from me, and I also appreciate all the Credo World Schools teachers and all members. Thanks once again.
Hello, myself Dr. C.B. Mehta, and he is my son Someshwar Anand Mehta, studying class 5, Credo World School, Dhanbad. First of all, I would like to give my heartiest thanks to the chairman and director of Credo World School, who has started such a nice school in the city of Dhanbad with full of world-class amenities. Secondly, I would like to give my heartiest thanks to the chief mentor and principal under the Credo World School, under the supervision and guidance of which all the teachers, management and faculties are doing very, very nicely. The teaching patterns and the virtual classes they are providing to my son is very, 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 very superb. I have never seen such type of pattern through online platform earlier, and now I would like
to take the opinion of my child, Someshwar. Start.
My opinion is thank you all teachers Devjani Miss, Shubhra Miss, Shruti Miss, Shreya Miss, Saroj Sir and Sangeeta Miss. Your virtual class are awesome and superb. If I am very in doubt, I can ask ask you very well and you teach me again and again. Thank you teachers once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all the teachers of class 5, and my families and they all are very satisfied with the Credo World School Dhanbad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jayan Dwivedi, I'm father of Adya Dwivedi. First of all, I would like to appreciate Team Credo for providing such a wonderful and informative online content. I can see my daughter learning new things with every passing day. As far as rating is concerned, if you ask me, I would like to give 9 out of 10. I keep 1 because there is always a room for improvement. I take this opportunity to thank all the faculty members and management. I would like to thank Shali Madam. I find her very responsive and caring. Looking forward to have a wonderful and successful journey ahead. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Good morning. Regarding Credo World School, I would like to say you and all teachers that when I visited school, I really very impressed to meet principal and few teachers, and I decided that time my child will study in this school. I transferred my child from Denobli School to Credo World School in class 5th. Further, I want to say that in this worst situation of worldwide due to COVID-19, my child not attending school. He is away from school premises, but he is very close with all teachers day-to-day basis. The efforts of all teachers is marvelous and unmarkable, but I am giving you 10 out of 10. Thanks.
I am very glad that my son is studying in this school, and teachers are very interactive and supportive, and my son is also enjoying in this school.
The Credo World School management is touched by the heartwarming responses. Thank you, everyone.